My name is Vicky. I work for Torfaen Local Authority and I am a care leaver. I was in foster care for approximately 7 years that covered my teenage years.
My name's Darryl. I'm 22 and I'm also a care leaver. I moved to Devon Martins in 2008 and it's been great ever since.
My name is Messi. I'm from Afghanistan. I have been in the UK 5 years, and when I came here, I went to first family first. I lived with her more than 2 years, yeah.
Fostering has made a massive difference on my life. I wouldn't be the way I am now. You know, I'd be in a really bad way, so thanks to Devon Martins to make me the man I am today, to be fair.
Being fostered has made a massive difference in my life. They made me feel welcome, birthdays, Christmases, days out, holidays.
She had changed my life. When I came to UK, I couldn't speak any English, just say hello, that's it, yeah. So she helped me a lot, first family.
I had such a traumatic time when I was a kid, and then moving to here was such a big change. And it was just nice to have that, that stable home.
With that stable environment to flourish and to realise my true potential in life, really. I've been able to hold down a full-time job. I raised 2 lovely children. Without that foster placement, I don't know where I'd be today.
Yeah, she did support me a lot and I still have contact with her. She called me last week and she said to me, how's everything, how's your family,
I had such a great time in foster care that I wouldn't go back. I wouldn't change my life, not a chance.
It's not just opening your door, it's opening your home and it's opening your heart and sharing your life with the young person that you welcome into your home.
I would recommend people to foster for the local authority.
Because I was fostered by the local authority, what that meant was I could remain in where I live, not moving out of county where I have to start again.
They're not here to make the money, they are here to help children in need.
Go into it because you want to make a difference in that child's life and providing a loving family for that child to grow up in. You never know how it can change a person's life.